What is true love? True love is not a fleeting emotion. It is not the shallow passion that fades when circumstances change. True love is deeper. It is the choice to stay, to give, to serve, and to build even when the feelings waver. True love is sacrifice, laying down your pride, your comfort, and even your desires for the good of another. True love is commitment, not just in the sunshine but through the storms, refusing to let go when life tests your bond. True love is patience, understanding that people grow, that mistakes are made, and still choosing to believe in the best. True love is powerful. It heals, it strengthens, it transforms lives. It does not control or demand. It gives, it nurtures, it uplifts. The world is full of counterfeits, but true love is rare. It is divine. It is not found in selfishness, but in selflessness. Not in taking, but in giving. Not in lust, but in loyalty. If you've ever experienced true love, you know it is the most valuable treasure in existence. And if you're still searching, don't settle for less. Choose to walk in love that is pure, unconditional, and unshakable. Let us raise a generation that understands love not as a word but as a way of life. Love that builds homes. Love that restores broken hearts. Love that reflects the very heart of God. If this message speaks to your heart, don't just scroll away. Hit the like button. Share this with someone who needs to hear it, and subscribe for more powerful truths that will transform your life.